What do you know about climate change, global warming, carbon footprints?
Uh, Global warming is something which the youth can do a lot to minimize climate change, because the youth being somewhere in the middle can affect both sides of the number line. So someone who's around 15 to 25 can try and boss the younger ones and also their elders. So the good thing about being a young person is you have the energy. Many of us do have the time and the inclination, and hence you can affect a lot of people and hence create change.
What do you know about climate change?
Climate change is affected by various factors, especially man-made factors are responsible for climate change.
Has climate change affected you in any way?
Yes, it has affected me because it has affected the seasons. Just like winter wasn't very severe the last year and we are still awaiting monsoons. There's a delay in monsoon. So it has obviously affected me
And how do you think it has affected our environment?
drastically. We see less of greenery, lakes have dried up, the levels of dams have reduced. So definitely it has affected me as well as the environment I live in.
What can we do at our level to reduce climate change?
At our level we can use eco-friendly methods.
What are your views about climate change?
Okay, over the past around 50 years, there have been various ice sheets which have melted, and day by day the temperature is increasing of the earth, and that may lead to around 6 degrees or I heard around 6 degrees increase in the global temperature.
Is it affecting you in any way?
Well, currently it is not as such affecting directly, but I guess it may affect slowly and in the years to come.
What all measures can be done to reduce it?
Maybe all the people should be made aware of it. Many awareness programs should be taken, and our steps towards the decrease of pollution maybe.
Alright, thanks.
Okay.
What are your views about climate change?
Yeah, I feel that the climate is definitely changing. Especially it has become extreme. Maybe it has become extremely cold and extremely hot than it was normally.
Is it affecting you in any way?
Definitely, because it has become extreme. If you see from physiological point of view, extreme heat is affecting my body, or cold also. Dryness of my skin has increased, and pollution also basically rised.
What all measures need to be taken?
Yeah, I feel that reducing pollution or planting more trees. Thanks.